From the debt elimination video, you have seen the amazing debt elimination and interest reduction power of this program. But did you know this program also helps homeowners to build wealth and create significant residual income? Let's look at one example of the program's amazing wealth building and income generating power. From the previous video, we saw how the program pays off mortgages and other debts in record time. But our couple wondered, what would it look like if we also decided to invest in a rental income property and secure a renter? To see if this would be a good idea, they opened the program and entered a new mortgage amount of $225,000 for the rental and added a rental income of $1,400 per month. Then the system calculated its financial strategies and showed that both the primary mortgage and their new rental property could be completely paid off in just 7.7 years. Just 2.7 years more. Seeing the benefits of what the program can do with just one rental property, our homeowners wondered what adding a second $225,000 rental property would look like, again with a rental income of $1,400 per month. After adding the new mortgage for their second rental property and adding the second rental income of $1,400 per month to their program, the system now shows both their primary mortgage and rentals number 1 and 2 could be completely paid off in just 9.7 years. Amazing! And they absolutely love the idea of increasing their income by $2,800 per month. So then our homeowners wondered, if we could get these kinds of results on 2 properties, what if we added more? So, keeping it simple, they added another $225,000 rental property into the program at a rental income of $1,400 per month. Following the system, our homeowners found that all their properties, including their third rental, could be paid off in just 11.5 years, and their fourth rental in just 12.8 years, and their fifth rental in just 14 years, and so on, up until their 15th rental, which could all be paid off, including their primary home, in just 20.4 years. So while their neighbors still have approximately 10 years left on their mortgage, our example homeowners could have 16 homes paid off free and clear. Wow, they thought to themselves. That means our monthly income could grow by $1,400 as each property pays off. And over 20.4 years, that could build to an additional residual income of $21,000 per month. And a real estate portfolio value of over $3.3 million without adding a penny in real estate appreciation. So, our homeowners ask themselves the obvious question: why would anyone pay on a single mortgage for up to 30 years when you could be building a huge residual income and investment property portfolio that you own free and clear in far less time? We think the answer is obvious. Now you have the tools and knowledge to be debt-free and building wealth in far less time than it normally takes just to pay off your primary mortgage. And each client that activates on the program is provided with live success coaches. These coaches show you how to easily use the program for debt elimination and wealth creation. And they provide you with expert assistance and options when it comes time to identifying, buying, and managing your first, second, third, and so on income-generating rental properties. How many income-generating properties could you own free and clear in 5, 10, or 15 plus years with this program? Oh, and we haven't even talked about the possibility of a vacation home. Get back with the representative that sent you this video and ask them to run a free financial report that will show you how much time and money you could save and how much income and wealth you could build. Stop throwing your hard-earned money away and start building your financial future today.